How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to revoke or delete your Google Workspace account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and to show you guys what I mean, I'm gonna do a little demonstration here on what you guys need to do. So as this guide by Google, provided by Google, I should say, says, you would want to log into your Google Workspace account and go to the admin console. Basically, follow this path right here. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. Basically, go to knowledge.workspace.google.com, and then you want to navigate to the top left corner of your screen and hover over resources. Now here you should see an option that says admin console. So just click on this basically. Oh, actually, this just takes you to the help center, but you guys get the gist. So let's actually go back to the previous page. So from here, you want to click on admin console right here, and basically follow this path right here. So menu, billing, subscriptions, and then under subscriptions, there should be more options where you have the action to cancel your subscription. So to show you guys what I mean, let's actually go back here, billing and subscriptions, cancel a subscription to your account. And from here, it's pretty straightforward. Basically, just follow the on-screen instructions. So once you click on cancel your subscription, you get to select or input the reason why you want to cancel it, and then click on continue. And when you do, Google will ask you to enter your email address just to confirm. And once you guys have done all of that, now you have the option to actually delete your account. So the first thing you need to do is cancel your subscription, and when you do, basically follow this path here: menu, account settings, account management, and then delete your account. And then when you do, click on confirm, and that should be it. So yeah, if this video helped you guys out, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.